everyone! Welcome to New Wave Cooking, a zero-waste online cooking school by me, Chef Joe. After 1 month of break, this week we will be making one of my favorite recipes. A roasted and filled butternut squash, and afterwards there will be molleux au chocolat, which is a chocolate lava cake. So as you can see, you're up for a treat. The zero waste part this week will be using the whole butternut squash. You can eat it even with the peel. And the cool thing about this recipe is that you can put all your leftovers in there. You can use beans, rice, pasta, potatoes, gnocchi, whatever you got, even vegetables, you can use it all up. And on top, you can put whatever cheese you got, feta, blue cheese, or even raclette. So that's a perfect occasion to use up all your leftovers in your fridge. Join this week's live zero waste cooking class with me to make those delicious recipes. Let's ride the wave. No biting. All right.